Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the affiliate program of Higgsfield. So let me take you to the website, which is higgsfield.ai. For the ones who don't know about them, Higgsfield is a fast-growing AI-native video creation platform designed for creators, filmmakers, marketers, and agencies. The platform offers AI-powered cinematic video generation, AI influencers, commercial content tools, and creator monetization systems for producing high-quality short-form and long-form AI content. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and check it out if you wanna start using them. Totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money from Higgsville. How do we do that? We simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them, and when we bring more views to them, more people to them, basically, if we are bringing performance toward the content, we're going to end up receiving commission. So, who can join the affiliate program of Higgsfield? Basically, what are the basic restrictions? There are quite a lot of restrictions we have to keep in mind. First of all, they call the affiliate program as creator program. Second, the program availability depends on your countries as well as campaign allowed list as per the region. So whenever you want to check it out, whether you're eligible or not, the best thing is you come to the website. I'll share the affiliate program or create a program page link with you as well. So check it out. If you can sign up, if you have campaign available, that means you're eligible and you can initiate the create a program journey with them. It's also only meant for the creators having their content on Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. That's it. So that's is the third restriction. However, the good thing about us is the flexibility towards promoting them globally. So wherever Hixel provides services, you can promote any video or content you might have in mind. All right, so let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the Creator Program page. Over here, let's start with this. Higgsfield's On. Join Higgsfield On to get paid for your content. Create AI videos, post them on social media, and earn rewards based on your views and performance. Unlike any other affiliate program, it works totally different. So usually what happens in affiliate program, you find the affiliate program, you sign up, you create tracking link, and you promote the brands using tracking link. Higgsfield works differently. You use their tools to create AI content, the AI video. You then submit that AI video on Higgsfield's dashboard, or rather creator or affiliate dashboard, and based on the performance and the views on that specific video of yours, you're gonna earn the commission, and that's quite a good amount of commission that you're gonna get. So let's scroll down and let's learn more. Earn real money with your AI influencer. It's three simple steps to make money. You log in, you connect your social media account, verify ownership instantly, no waiting for manual approval. Second step, you post, you basically create video content and post it to your feed. Of course, on your approved social media account, simply paste the link into your dashboard to begin tracking. That's it. Get your money. Unlock three-tier rewards and not just receive up to $2,500 per video, you could also get 25 hours and 7-day bonuses too. By the way, this is amazing amount. So basis the performance and the view of your video, you could earn up to $2,500 per video. And if you scroll down, you can see even more, boost your earnings by 130%, the Higgsfield earning. And then over here, the other details too, major top earners of Higgsfield. And there are some testimonies as well that you can read. And more interestingly, there are some frequently asked questions. So how can you earn with AI generated video? So the fastest way to earn is joining the Higgsfield Earn program. Again, they connect AI creators directly with paid campaigns. Simply use the AI tools to generate unique videos, post them on Instagram or other mentioned social media channel we talked about, and get paid on transparent three-tier reward system. We also discussed that. How do you join the Higgsfield Earn program? We're going to talk about it shortly. Is Higgsfield Earn free to join? Yes, it is. How much can you earn with the campaign? As I say, $2,500 per video up to. When and how do you receive money? Well, we will talk about that too. What is an AI influencer and how do you monetize one? So you can come here and you can read all those things for your understanding. Now, let's say you want to apply or you want to sign up for the creative program. Simply click on Start Now from here, and then it will take you to sign up to Higgsfield On. And over here, you can sign up using Google account, Microsoft account, or just with email. Let me go with Google account, so you can also pick any and then initiate with the respective option. Once you have completed the authentication after choosing the respective account, You can wait for this page to load up the details. It will find campaign for you and then will also take you further to the dashboard. So you can give it a couple of minutes. Once that's been loaded, it will take you to something called dashboard. You may call it Higgsfield on dashboard, Higgsfield creator dashboard, or Higgsfield's affiliate dashboard. That's up to you. Over here, you can see all campaigns. So here, connect YouTube to participate. So I'm seeing all this YouTube options. If I click on Instagram, I'll see if there are any active campaigns for the Instagram, for YouTube, or for Twitter. So like this, you can also go through with these options. And in case if you see the campaign available, from me, I see YouTube campaign available. So what I'll do, I'll simply click on connect YouTube. I'll enter my YouTube handle name here. It should be at the rate followed by the actual handle name, and then you can take it further. There will be other option to move it further. Once you have successfully connected your YouTube account, then you would be able to see active campaign. Also, there's a possibility, let's say you completed the authentication and you might not see any campaign available. It could also mean when these campaigns are assigned to anyone, it's also dependent on your performance, your existing performance on your YouTube channel, of course, your region too, and your traffic too. So these all things gets considered too. In my case, I already have created an account before and I have already connected my YouTube channel with that account. So let me log into that account and then I can show you how it looks like once you have authenticated with any of these accounts, be it Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. But point is, you basically should be only linking those accounts where you intend to promote or where you intend to post the video created through the AI tools of Higgsfield. Let's assume we have some campaigns available here. The first thing you must do is to set up a few things. To set up a few things, you first click on my account. It will take you to this page over here. As you can see, my YouTube channel is already connected. So like this, you can also connect your Instagram account as well as your Twitter account. So this way it will all be connected. And if there's any campaign, you'll be notified accordingly. Assuming you have connected your respective social media account, there's a campaign available. You might want to create some videos using Higgsfield's AI tool. Maybe start with the lowest plan and create some video using the AI tools. Once you have created it, post it on the respective social media account. And once you have posted it there, come to the section submitted post. And over here, you'll be able to see the campaign. Click on that campaign and submit your video. Wait for them to review and monetize that video. They'll directly connect it through paid search and you'll be able to earn commission up to $2,500. So all your commissions that will be getting accumulated, you'll be able to see on the bottom left-hand side within your total earnings section. And to receive this commission, you can click on billing history. And over here, you will have an option to connect through Ghana. So Ghana is one of the third-party platforms that Higgsfield use to distribute the commission. So you can initiate the registration with Ghana. It's a super easy sign up with Ghana. And depending on your regions, Ghana would provide different payment methods to you, mainly direct deposit, but sometimes PayPal as well. So these are some payment methods available. All right, so you learn how to find and sign up for the Higgsfield's creator or rather the affiliate program, but then how can you promote them? I understand you could create the video and maybe just have it there on the social media channels, but what's the point of having a video if it's not bringing the proper performance? I mean, not too many views and all. So you want to focus on promoting those videos. So maybe if you have a website, talk about the video somewhere on your website. So this way, when people have more visibility towards the video, they'll click through and they'll watch the video. If you have a blog, that's even better. You could create blog posts on topics like AI video tutorials, AI filming guides, AI influencer reviews, and each blog post you might want to integrate your YouTube video directly. So people can directly watch those video through your blog post, and this could also generate better performance for you, better performance meaning better commission. Social media. If you are promoting in any ways, you have to use social media to post a video. That's up to you which one you're choosing. If you're posting these videos on Instagram, focus on Instagram Reels as well. Through Reels, you can bring more views to your video respectively. Same goes for the YouTube Shorts. So if you're creating YouTube video, maybe have YouTube Shorts as well using cinematic AI videos. So this way, when people watch the shorts and through that, they could come to the video, bringing more views to your video. Then you also got AI tools and software as a service website. Let's say as an affiliate, if you have such a website available, be it AI video tools website, creator economy website, or AI filmmaking website, maybe you just write something on your website and show them the example of the amazing videos you have created. do not directly integrate those videos. Ensure you're integrating it through YouTube or Twitter or Instagram handles or integration. So this way, though these videos are running on your website, but performance is actually happening behind the scene in the respective social media channels. So we get it. Using these methods, you can promote them, but then how do you bring more traffic? Promoting is one thing, but then you should also focus on bringing more traffic. So there are a few ways as well. The top three traffic sources for Higgsfields or videos made through Higgsfield. One way is SEO blogs. Let's say if you are focusing and promoting videos made through Higgsfields on your blog, then you might want to focus on the SEO building as well. So your blog post should follow SEO rules, and you might want to focus on keywords like best AI video generator and AI filmmaking tools. It could lead more people towards your blog post, and which could lead to more video watched as well. Then you also got YouTube Shorts. It's an amazing tool, especially if you're creating videos on YouTube. We talked about it as well when we were discussing promotion. So having videos and then using that video, you're creating shorts. So this way people are coming more towards your video and hence bringing more traffic. Then you also got TikTok and Instagram Reels. Use these Reels as well to bring more people towards your actual content. Let's say if you are posting these videos on YouTube, also create reels of the same YouTube video on TikTok and Instagram as well. Just a quick reels of 20-30 seconds, more like viral AI generated kind of content, and ask people if you want to watch more, has a link, and this way you can bring more people, more traffic to your video, and again, more watch, more performance, better commission. So these are some of the ways you can bring more traffic towards the Higgsfield content that you have created and for the video you have submitted for them. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate or rather the creative program of Higgsfield. You sign up, you create videos, you submit, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning about the creative program or rather the affiliate program of Higgsfield. As an affiliate, if you want to learn better, if you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, I've created some amazing resources for you. They're exclusive as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Simply get any resource that you prefer. In the meantime, if you have any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. From your end, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.